In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to make a checklist in Word online. To create a checklist in the web version of Microsoft Word, start by typing out your list in normal text, with each item on a new line. Now click and drag to highlight the text, and you should see a toolbar appear. In the toolbar, click the down arrow, next to the bullet list icon. Then head to the bottom of the drop-down, and click Define New Bullet. In the pop-up, click the drop-down next to Font, and select Wingdings. Here, click the empty square symbol, labeled 0x00A8. To finish, click Insert. You can now click the checkboxes to cross out the list items, which works perfectly as a task list for collaborative Word documents. That's all for this video. Please leave a comment if this helped, and hit the subscribe button for more Microsoft videos. Also, for all the latest Microsoft news, and free exclusive resources, be sure to click the link in the description, and grab our weekly newsletter.